In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this earring. That is how to DIY this earring. And if you want to know how to DIY this earring, so please keep on watching. But this one, this is not specifically for earring, but I'm using it to make the earring. And I'm sure this will make your earring unique. So okay guys, if you want to know how to make your homemade earring, so please keep on watching. So okay, to make the earring you need this tassel. Okay, this tassel earring, and then you need this small round shape, I don't know what's that called, and of course you need the earring hook as well. That's the crochet one. So okay, first you need to open this hook like this, and pass it through this small hole like so. Do the same for the other earring as well, and then you close, and then you take this earring hook the hole, so okay, this is your first earring. Now we are going to do the same for the other one as well. Once again like this, then take the earring hook, pass it through that, and close it using a scissor or anything that you have. You can even close it. So okay, both your earring done. It's so easy to make. You just need the hook and this small round shape, and of course this one, this tassel one. And you can even make your own tassel at home, so very soon I'll do a video based on that. So if you enjoyed this small DIY earring, so please like and subscribe to my channel.